Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious sausage vegetable skillet meal. Let's get started. You'll need 1 package of mild Italian sausage. I love Italian sausage. I prefer this one, but if you want to use a different sausage, you definitely can. Make it to your liking. Johnsonville gives you 5 links. You want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And if you're vegetarian, you can always substitute it with a plant-based sausage. Next, we're going to cut 1 small onion, and I usually go about medium-sized cuts here. Cut 1 red bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. 1 green bell pepper. Add an orange one if you want to make it more colorful, but you can definitely stick to just 2. Next, 1 to 2 zucchinis, depending on size. Now, size does matter here. You want to cut them lengthwise and then just start chopping away into bite-sized pieces. I ended up going with 2 here. I also add 1 squash, again cut lengthwise and then bite-sized pieces. Let's chop up 3 garlic cloves. Now, did you know that garlic is a bulb that's the root of a flower? It's actually a member of the lily flower. Did you guys know that? Now you do. See, you learn every day. Now keep on watching. To end our chopping, we're going to chop 1 bush of cilantro. This is going to give it a really yummy flavor. To a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot and when your oil spreads easily, you want to add your sausage. Now we just begin to brown our sausage. I really love this 1-pan meal because it's super easy, it's healthy, it's quick to make, and it's an easy cleanup. And it's also perfect for meal prepping. This is looking pretty good. Now sometimes I'll go in there and when my pieces are a little bit larger, I'll just kind of split them in half with my spoon and just make smaller pieces. All right, my sausage is done and no longer pink, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a plate just temporarily. To the same pan, use the oil to your advantage. We're going to add all of our veggies, which were the onions, the zucchini, squash, and peppers. Let's give this a quick mix, making sure it's coated in the oil. If you feel you need a little more olive oil, go ahead and add more. Now I'm going to add my garlic. And by the way, if you don't have fresh garlic and you want to use the one from the jar, just add 3 teaspoons, which is equivalent to 3 cloves of garlic. You want to keep your heat at about medium to medium high. I started at a medium high and I'm going down to medium now, about a 4. Now we're ready for the good stuff. We want to add some seasoning and we'll start with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is going to be to your taste. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. You could do either 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon, depending on how much you have in your pan. Add 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of light chili powder. You can find all of the ingredients in the description section of my YouTube. And by the way, I am now on Facebook. I've got a brand new Facebook page called Cooking with Rose Oatley. I'm also on TikTok under Rose Oatley, so please be sure and check those out and make sure you follow me there as well. Oh my goodness, it is so fragrant. I really wish you guys could smell this. It smells so yummy. You want to mix for 1 minute, then add back all of your sausage. Give it a good mix, making sure everything marries together. We're going to add a little bit of beef broth. If for some reason you don't have beef broth, you could go ahead and use water, but I do recommend to use the beef broth. I just think it gives it a really nice flavor. We're going to start with half a cup and then you can kind of go from there. I would say you can add anywhere between 1 cup to 1 3/4 cups. I ended up with 1 3/4 here. At this point, we want to add our cilantro and give it a good mix. Turn your heat down to low, cover and cook for 10 minutes on low. 10 minutes later, and this is looking really yummy. We are ready to plate. I like to serve this on a bed of rice. Now, how delicious does this look, guys? Are you guys ready for a bite? Because I know I am. Oh, God.
Good?
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.